Alright, so the air conditioner is stuck on the defrost for my Jeep. And also, this piece was found on the ground. It snapped off. I don't know if you're in the same boat, but let's figure it out. Turn the air off, but it's still coming out of here, not the vents. I am under driver's side. I can see where they're in the center. That's where it sheared off. Did something with that. So apparently I'm stuck on defrost and floorboard, or second to last option there. So literally probably the worst one, except for just feet, or okay. I don't even know. So this is the upper blend door actuator that sheared off, and I managed to stick a screw in it, if you can see. And I'm going to try and turn it manually while waiting for the replacement part. Either way, you got to take out this sheared part before replacing it with the replacement part. How to film this. Eat your heart out, Spielberg. We're gonna get this screw in. Eat your heart out, Spielberg. Making my voice sound weird being in this car upside down. Damn it. Alright, Ho. I want you to meet my friend. His name's Alan. Allen wrench wrapped up in masking tape. Let's see. There goes Steven. Alright, Steven. I jammed the Allen wrench inside. Jammed it hard, Steven. Now let's turn it. Let's see if we're actually turning something here, Steven. Alright, Spielberg, Ready Player One. Hey, I'm turning something. Let's turn the car on and see what setting we're on, Steven. That, I don't know which one that is. What the hell? Now they're both moving. Hang on, alright. We got some robotics here, guys. Ordered the blend actuator online. It is a 17910.01 part number. Let's see if it's the right one. It's just 2 screws with the Phillips head screwdriver. I have not disconnected the battery. I'm trying to do this as easily as possible, as per standard procedure. And now I think I have to remove this cover plate. I just don't want to set off the airbag, guys. 2 more screws on the bottom. I don't think we need to disconnect the battery. Alright, got it out. Okay, so the best way to get to it is to have the car in this mode. To get these cylinders out of the way, or levers. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. See, this is the old piece, and it actually screws in. I'll get the size in a second. Here's the size of this screw if it works. And I can pull it. And I can turn it by hand. This is it, guys. I can feel it. Alright. Sorry, I need 2 hands to do it. Sorry, I need 2 hands to do it. So I'm just to tighten it. Too far not to get the money shot, guys. Oh, they almost got you, bastard. That means we get to go to our favorite store. O'Reilly Auto Parts. What we got? See what we got. We're getting close. Apparently these were the best they could do, so let's see if these will work. Guys, I think we got something. I just screwed it in with this long ass screwdriver. Yeah, that thing was a waste of $5. Hey, I'm giving you the full journey here, okay? Alright, some real pliers. See what happens. It's in there. get the thing out. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try and turn the car on and see if I can just turn this thing to the right setting.
Guys, it's on it.
The screw's still in there. The screw's still in there, guys, but I don't care. It's blown out of the vents. That's all I really need. Oh, damn it, it's blown out the bottom too. It must be on this setting. Wait. Yeah, so it's stuck. Blowing out these vents. It's blowing out these vents and the bottom. I just wish it wasn't blowing out the bottom. Give a crap about my feet. Well, it goes. Why did I do that? Just stay off of that. Alright. So we're here. We're getting closer. We need to get down to here. I don't know. This wasn't doing anything either. Look, I'm just going to cut to the end. It's in there forever. Forget it. Get it. Nothing down here. Nothing down here. It's coming out. Coming out good. Cold. And that's how you fix your Jeep Wrangler air conditioner.